Guys, today I'm gonna share with you what happened with my Ethereum trade yesterday. I do have some big updates regarding that. I am going to talk about what I see happening for the market next. And there's a big news coming out of Binance here. Apparently, they're having an emergency meeting right now. What does this mean for the crypto space? What does this mean for Binance? I am going to talk about that in this video. So welcome back everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's begin with Bitcoin. And you can see that Bitcoin is still going sideways in between this range here, which I talked about yesterday, between the red line at 30K and the resistance at $30,400. So, sorry, $30,600. So you can see that we're still on the 4-hourly time frame going sideways here. So one of these are going to break eventually. For me, I do think that the red line is going to hold, but the traditional markets are continuing its free fall down. So if this continues, of course, sooner rather than later, then this is going to get continuously tested. And the more it gets tested, the weaker it gets. However, for now, I still think that this is a very strong level, and I do think it's going to take a lot for it to break down. So on the balance of probabilities, I still think that even short term, we are looking pretty bullish for Bitcoin with this holding up right here. Now, yesterday we did come down and we did tap a lower low. You can see that the first one was right here at 29,980 approximately, and this was 29,882. So yeah, you can see that we came down a little bit lower, which is not a good sign. However, I still think that this is, you can just see by the bounce we're getting whenever we come down here as well. So far, so good for Bitcoin. Now, for Ethereum though, you know that I entered into a trade looking for Ethereum to break through the resistance here at 1,924, as well as potentially reaching the higher parts of this wedge here on the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, meaning Ethereum could outperform Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin did take a drop, so Ethereum also went down, and in fact, it did go down and reach my stop loss. So if we look at my orders here, yes, right here, you can see that my stop loss was triggered at 1,859. So minus 1,874. This loss was solidified here. So minus 1,800. Let me just see here. So yeah, 1,859, 1,859. There we go. And there we go. So you can now see that the loss has been adding. As always, I share with you everything, every loss, every profits we've been making. And I did enter this trade. So if you want to check it out, click on this link and you get to go to the, you can see the link here. And I will add it for also the other languages here when I talk about that specific trade. But yeah, did get direct on that trade, which is not a huge deal because still we've been making so much money on the trading strategies here. $24,000 plus the profits we currently have on the trading strategies. So you can see right here, this is why, like in general, I just want to let the bots do the trading for me. By the end of this bull market, these are going to be at like 5, 6, maybe 1,000% each and every one of these. So yeah, just letting the bots do the majority of the trading here. But one worrying thing right now is that there are rumors about Binance having an emergency meeting this week in Dubai. Now, remember CZ a couple of days ago came out and said 1, 2, 3, and which is followed, of course, by 4. And 4 means that he's expecting some FUD to come out. So for him to have an emergency meeting in Dubai, and also they're hiring a specialist lawyer who is specialized in Department of Justice criminal charges. So yes, we are most likely going to see another big lawsuit come out against Binance. So this is probably going to be pretty big. So that is definitely something we need to be prepared for as well. Apart from that, things are still going well, still letting the trading strategies do the trading here back and forth using this volatility, the fast bots approaching 70% already here for Bitcoin and Ethereum. The support level is still holding. And Ethereum, that trade got stopped out, which is fine. Traditional markets continues to go down. Let's see if we can get a decent bounce on traditional markets. We're having several meetings this week, guys, from the Federal Reserve. So those meetings and those press conferences and those speeches are going to influence the price of Bitcoin. So be aware of that as well. And of course, as always, if you want to use the same trading strategies I am using myself, I'm using OKX, claim up to $60,000 in bonuses by clicking on this link right here. Click join now, you're eligible for the bonuses. Then you can go down, you have each and every link here to each and every trading bot. So guys, that's what I got for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.